Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be cooking really fast here, but I have some really great things in store. I have family coming over, and so I'm just gonna do the semi-homemade kind of thing. And I was at Target the other day and I saw the Good and Gather brand, and I wanted to try them. I want to try everything from Target that they have in regards to this to see how well it is. These were a little bit pricier, whereas this was a very reasonable amount. I think this was like in the $1 to $2 range, and this was up to like the $5 range. So I'm going to reserve this butternut squash one for another day, but today I'm going to be using these two sauces. So I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to do to prepare and then go from there. This one I'm simply going to make like a meat sauce with this 3 cheese sauce in a spaghetti for the kiddos. And for the adults, I'm going to try this Alfredo Truffle sauce, and I'm going to use a gluten-free penne pasta. I'm going to do a mix of a little bit of bacon and chicken, and that is what is going to be in that pasta. If you watched my video yesterday or whatever video I've posted recently, I made these garlic butter steak bites with herbs de Provence. I'm going to do that same exact cooking method, but I'm going to use a mixture of portobello and baby portobellos as a side to this pasta dish. And I'm gonna put that all together and then show you. I'm gonna get into making everything. This is going to be kind of a long video because I'm making a lot of different things, but I hope it all turns out delicious, and I'm really excited to try this sauce and see how it turns out. So the next footage you see is gonna be of me cooking everything and putting it all together, because I pretty much prepped everything. I try to take some really good photos. I don't know how people do food photography. I'm just getting into it and learning all about it. And I just want to be as transparent as possible with what I'm doing here. This is kind of like a laid back style as I'm teaching myself to video and take photos and just put it all together as best as I can. So I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing so far. And I'm really grateful that you're here watching. Whoever's watching, thanks for being here. So let's get cooking. While the meat is cooking, just do a voiceover on this part. I'm gonna take these organic carrots. Baby boy picked them out, he wants to try them. And I'm going to sneak them into that pasta meat sauce that I'm making for the kids. So it's going to be meat and carrots, and then the 3 cheese sauce that we'll have in there. So I'm just gonna chop. I rinsed and scrubbed them really well. I mean, there's still like these little hairs, but I don't think you really need to peel carrots because the skin is so thin anyways. So we're just going to roll with it here. Fat, so I think I'm not going to drain it, and I'm just gonna season it. It's just how my mom did it. Just do like a nice teaspoon of that. while this cooks, I just want to go over, it says it's made with real cream, Italian summer black truffles, and extra virgin olive oil. And this seal is really hard to break. I can't get it off. But I'm really excited to try it. We're about to add it to the chicken here. Oh my gosh, this smells very truffly. At this phase, you're gonna think they look burnt, but this is actually where they are perfect. This is where we're going to add all of our things, like our butter, and season it with salt and pepper, and then add the garlic. In the drawer. All right, so I have finished our meals that I'm gonna have with my family. This is the chicken bacon black truffle Alfredo from the Good and Gather that I got at Target, and I just did like a simple salad on the side. And then these are the portobello mushrooms that I did with the garlic butter and herbs de Provence. These are so delicious. They don't look very pretty, but they are absolutely delicious. So that is for the adults. And for the kiddos, they're just going to have a spaghetti with meat sauce. I used the Three Cheese Good and Gather from Target, and I snuck in some carrots into the sauce, and you cannot even taste them. They will see them, but once they taste it, it will be nice and sweet and cheesy, and I think they're gonna love it. All right, I've been doing a snack hack with every video that I've made, and this one I said I wanted to do gluten-free s'mores. I don't have a fire because we're indoors, so I'm gonna use my air fryer and make them. And I could not find Pamela's graham crackers this time at the store, but I found this brand here. My sister helped me set this up. Look at how perfect she stacked everything. So we just have the graham crackers, chocolate, marshmallow. I'm going to put them in the air fryer on the bake setting at 400 degrees, and then I'm going to bake them for about 5 to 7 minutes and see how well it melts and everything. I decided instead of making everything together at once, I'm sorry, my dishwasher just started going. I'm gonna melt the marshmallows first and then do an extra couple minutes with the other half with the chocolate and everything, because I really don't want it to, I don't want the chocolate to melt too much, and I have a feeling if I have it in there too long, I feel like chocolate melts really, really fast. So I'm just gonna start and like kind of roast or bake the marshmallows first and then do the rest. Take it back, 400 degrees for literally 3 minutes in the air fryer. And our air fryer has a bake setting, so that's where we're at. I'm not even going to put the chocolate into the oven. I'm just gonna top it off just like this, and it should melt just like you do when you're around a campfire. So I'm just going to go for it. All right, and there is our gluten-free s'mores. Ooh, it's hot. I'm gonna flip it around because, yeah, at 400 for 3 minutes, and your marshmallow is like super toasty. Yum. This looks so good. Do they want to come try it?
Looks good.
I love how
Do you
they
want-
screen in the dryer.
We're gonna try this. Oliver, how did you say s'mores? Can you say s'more? S'more. All right. I'm gonna try it. My nephew's posting to his Insta. Brand new.
Shut up.
I'm gonna share half of mine with their mama.
Don't worry, I won't plug.
Thank you.
Is there a napkin?
Use the water.
Right now.
Mmm.
The marshmallow is nicely done.
This is really good.
That good, Oliver?
These graham crackers are really good. I will say the Pamela's graham crackers taste more like graham crackers. These have like good texture and everything, but I don't know, I feel like Pamela's taste more like actual graham crackers.
It's
But
got
these
a
are, no, go ahead.
Shortbread. That's shortbread.
Oh yeah, yep, it's like a shortbread cookie. It's really good. So I'm gonna try to find Pamela's and make s'mores again. These are really nice, these Kinnick s'morables. They're free from nuts, gluten, soy, dairy, and peanuts. So they're a really safe option. But that is our snack hack. We made indoor s'mores and
In s'mores.
in s'mores
S'mores.
indoors, and we're just gonna finish our snack
Copy
and we'll see you later. Bye. So that's it for this video and whatever I cooked today, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I will check you in the next one. Bye.